Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to change language in Resident Evil 4 game. So after you launch the game, launch Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now here you can see language option under general. It's already selected as English. From here you can easily change the language to any one of them from the list. Just for example, select German and the language will be changed to German. After that, once your PC restarts, you can easily find the language in that particular language that you have selected. Now if you want to revert it back again to English, again go to Steam, select your game under library section, now click on properties, and under general in the language option you have to select English, and after that the language which will be changed to English by default. So by this way you can easily change language of Resident Evil 4 game from English to any other language or revert back to English once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.